Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a kaleidoscope. Using a washable marker, mark out the center of your shirt, and then fold it in half using the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. And what that is where you bring the front of the shirt together and the back of the shirt together for symmetry. I find it helpful if you line up the seams inside of the shoulder, along the sleeve, and down the side. Wherever there are seams, it does make it a lot easier to center the shirt. Decide where you want the center of your pattern to be, and then fold the shirt up from the bottom up towards the collar. Next, we're going to fold the shirt like we're making a paper airplane. So I fold it back, then I fold it back again, and then I'm going to flip it over and repeat that on the back side. So I fold it back towards the center, and then I fold it back a second time. I'm using clips to hold my folds in place, and I have 5 folds on one side and 2 folds on the other side. If yours looks like this, then you know you've got the fold down correctly. I'm not exactly sure what to call this fold, but I'm just basically making an S pattern back and forth all the way till it's all the way wrapped up. Secure it with rubber bands or kite string, whichever you prefer. This is going to be a muck dye, so find a container and smush your shirt down in it. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. And because the folds on this shirt are so thick, I'm adding a little more dye than I usually do. I want to make sure I get good saturation. I got these cool new ice cubes off Amazon, and I'll put a link for them down below in the description box. Because this is a muck dye, I set this little bowl inside of a bigger bowl just in case it leaks. I took advantage of all the extreme heat that we've been having and I set it outside to batch. After all the ice melted, I brought it in the house to let it finish processing, and you want to let it batch for 24 hours after the ice melts. It's been 24 hours since the ice melted, and now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water to rinse out any soda ash that might still be reacting within the shirt, and gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, a textile detergent. And I do a third hot water cycle using Milsoft, and Milsoft brings softness back into the shirt after the dyeing process. Then I stick it in the dryer and we'll come back and see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried, and I'm very happy with this shirt. I've never made it before. I had no idea what I was doing, so I don't really have a name for this particular fold. That's why I called it a kaleidoscope, because that's what this shirt reminds me of. So what do you guys think of this shirt? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.